Hi there, I'm Rebecca with WTI.
If you've ever dealt with a home that suddenly feels infested with flies, then you know how frustrating that can be. And that's why I love these 100-pack window fly traps from the brand LFSYS. I found these traps to be super easy and simple to use since all I have to do is just peel one off and stick it onto my window or any flat surface where I notice that the flies tend to gather. I place mine on the inside of the window since that's usually where I notice the flies hovering. And what really stands out to me is just how discreet these traps are. The traps are completely transparent so they don't block any light and you barely notice them there. I really like how effective these traps are. I noticed that one trap catches multiple flies and it actually lasts a long time. And when it is time to swap one out, it's quick and simple. And with 100 traps in one pack, you're set for quite a while, especially if flies are an ongoing issue, just like they are for us. Overall, these window fly traps have made a noticeable difference for us. They're simple, effective, low effort, and blend right into your space.
And that's my point of view.